What's up guys, welcome to HET Tech and Motivation YouTube channel and welcome to this new video. So before this video, if you have not seen my earlier video of today, just go ahead and check that out. Because today I was really surprised that from a year we are seeing leaks with iPhones with getting triple camera setup, displays getting changed and everything. And up to last week we already had rumors. Now the rendering has gone so far that the iPhone's boxes have started also to get rendered. And just basically I want to tell that we thought initially that we know everything about the 2019 iPhone lineup and everybody was excited for the 2020 iPhone lineup. And just take into consideration, it's a very funny thing for me. I'm just a lot amazed today just to see that there are now two new iPhones. Apple's whole strategy of making iPhones is changing. It's expected that this keynote will see 5 new iPhones. The iPhone XS, XS Max and the XS successor, and also there are going to be 2 new iPhones which are supposed to be called as the iPhone Pro. And just before a week there was a post, Benny Gaskin actually posted that the iPhone 11 was leaked by the supplier. And just taking into consideration, there is a square shape design, just everything is there, but we really don't know which iPhone or which category of iPhone is going to be getting the triple lens camera. Now this news is not actually making anyone happy. That it's really not a different kind of news that the iPhone XS and XS Max same like that iPhones are coming 2019 way. The iPhone 11 and 11 Max are going to be just like the iPhone XS and XS Max with some hardware improvements. That doesn't make anybody stupid excited for those products, but everybody Apple might do anything, but all of them are just waiting for the triple lens camera iPhone, or you can say with the square shaped hump. And just take into consideration 2 new iPhones this year, and last year they had a different kind of naming scheme. Till now people don't know that they need to call the iPhone XS Max that XS Max or XS Max. So just naming scheme is also different, the launching strategy is also different. Introducing 3 new iPhones. Early Apple introduced only the smaller and the plus variant, before that only one variant, and just now and last year 3 variants, and now we are seeing extreme levels, 5 new variants. And just take into consideration, if Apple is going to be going for a bigger scale like this, that surely Apple might introduce a budget-friendly iPhone, and not a budget-friendly as the iPhone XR, but even budget-friendly, entering about nearly around $500. And I just want to talk about this topic that it really makes me curious. What is Apple's design strategy? What Apple wants to prove in their product. That's different kind of not any other company wants to do like this thing. Samsung already has thousands of smartphone models. They have S series, they have A series, but iPhone only has their own iPhone, standard iPhone, which comes every year. They get upgrade. And just taking into consideration 5 new iPhones, that will be a great option for any person. But it really matters at the end that how is going to be the pricing and just everything. Guys, I really don't want to stop just here. I want to tell that we are still, from a lot of months, years, we're getting the concept with iPhone, getting triple lens cameras and probably whatnot. We know practically everything about the iPhone 11, the Pixel 4, and just basically we are trying to get in our hands, early as possible. But there are a few drastic changes which are happening. We already know the triple lens camera iPhone is coming, everything, but that is again happening. But we really don't know, is it its naming scheme, what is going to be the purpose of that specific iPhone model, is it going to be specific for a particular region? Is there going to be a lot of difference? Is there going to be an affordable model and a more expensive and more professional model? We really don't know about that things, but I just want to tell that I make this videos about the latest news which is there regarding Apple. That is the basic tendency, or that's basic the topic which I'd love to make videos on. And just there are lots of YouTubers who are trying to discuss these kind of topics like me, and I have also learned from those people. But just we can never predict what Apple is going to be doing with their new iPhones. Let it be there might be professional leakers, or there might be any person who practically have the smartphone in hand, but we really don't know what Apple is looking forward and how Apple will treat that particular product. So just I want to tell that we still think that we know everything, but I think we are way behind that what we think until we see the final keynote. We are only 3 weeks away from the keynote. So guys, hope you have liked today's video. This was a pretty short video, and just want to tell you guys that it doesn't matter, that the leaks and everything should be 100% true. Even if at the keynote, if Apple introduces a different kind of iPhone, foldable iPhone, you might think that that's a fantasy, but if Apple will do that, it will be ridiculous big hit. And just basically just getting something different than what we have expected is always good. So thanks for watching today's video. Hope you have liked this video. If you like, don't forget to subscribe my channel and also leave a comment that how was this video and which video you want to see next. Again, thanks for watching. Stay tuned for more videos and peace.